What if I told you that you're not falling behind because you don't work hard, but because of a few financial mistakes you repeat every single day without even realizing it? This isn't random. This isn't bad luck. This is a pattern that's quietly destroying the American middle class. And here's the scary part. Most people watching this right now will never escape it. But if you stay until the end, you'll see the one mistake that ruins people permanently. 10. Living like you're rich. On a middle-class income, you make decent money, so you upgrade your life. New car, better apartment, expensive habits. But here's the truth no one tells you. You're not getting richer. You're just getting more expensive to maintain. Example, someone making $70K, living like they make $120K. No savings, no investments, just pressure. Question, if your income stopped today, how long would you last? Because this lifestyle, it's not wealth. It's a ticking time bomb. And the next mistake makes this even worse. 9. Depending 100% on your paycheck. Most people live in a loop. Work, get paid, pay bills, repeat. That's not a plan. That's survival. The moment your paycheck stops, everything falls apart. Now think about this. Do you have any income that doesn't require your time? If not, you don't have security. You have dependency. And the next mistake is why people stay stuck here forever. 8. Using credit cards like free money. Credit cards feel easy. Swipe now, pay later. But later comes with interest. And interest doesn't care about your situation. Example, a $1,000 purchase can quietly turn into $2,000 plus. And most people don't even notice until it's too late. Question, are you using your credit card? Or is it using you? Because once you lose control, it's hard to get it back. And the next mistake keeps that cycle alive. 7. Having zero emergency fund. Life doesn't ask for permission. Things go wrong. Car breaks. Bills hit. Jobs disappear. And if you're not ready, you borrow. And once you start borrowing, you're already behind. Simple truth. No emergency fund equals guaranteed stress. Question, if something went wrong today, would you be calm or panicking? Because the next mistake is why most people panic. 6. Not understanding how money works. You were taught math, history, science, but not money. No one taught you how to invest, how debt works, how inflation eats your income. So what happens? You work for money, but money never works for you. And that's the difference between staying middle class and building wealth. And the next mistake is the direct result of this. 5. Not investing or starting too late. Time is everything, but most people wait. I'll invest later. When I make more, that later costs you years. Example, someone investing small early beats someone investing big too late. Question, are you letting time grow your money or destroy your potential? Because time doesn't wait. And the next mistake hits even high earners. 4. Lifestyle inflation. You earn more, so you spend more. Better car, better house, more comfort, but nothing changes. You're still stuck, just at a higher level. This is the trap. The more you earn, the more you need to survive. Question, is your lifestyle growing or your net worth? Because only one of those actually matters. And the next mistake is invisible. 3. Ignoring small expenses. It's just $5. It's just $10. But it happens every day. Coffee, subscriptions, impulse buys. It adds up fast. $10 a day? That's over $3,600 a year. Now multiply that over time. Question, where is your money actually going? Because, for most people, it disappears silently. And the next mistake connects everything. 2. Living without a financial plan. No goals, no direction, no strategy. Just reacting and hoping things work out. But hope is not a plan. Without a plan, you drift, and drifting always leads to the same place. Nowhere. Question: do you know where you'll be financially in 5 years? Or are you just guessing? Because the next mistake is the most dangerous of all. 1. Saying, "I'll fix it later." This one destroys everything. Procrastination. I'll start saving later. I'll invest later. I'll figure it out later. But later never comes. And time? Time charges interest. Every year you wait costs you more than you think. Final question: how much has waiting already cost you? And how much more are you willing to lose? Now you see it. It's not bad luck. It's not your job. It's not your income. It's these patterns, repeating every day, keeping people stuck. And most people, they'll never escape. But you, now you know. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Because there's a next level to money, a level most people never reach. And when you understand it, everything changes.